Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about Flake token. What is Flake token all about? In my previous video, I told you number of things and even I told you how you will be able to get the premium signals entirely free. First of all, I will show you the Telegram where you can see each and everything regarding FLKT. Here you can see they are giving away the free signals. As in the starting they basically told us that after reaching 1000 subscribers in our Telegram channel, we will start posting premium signal here for 21 days. It means that you are able that at this time you are able to use their own service for 21 days entirely free. And if you like their service, then you have to pay them $30 for these premium signals. Right now I also got a free signal here. You can see it by yourself. XBT and USD open long position and the 10x leverage. Seriously, here you can basically get these signals entirely free for 21 days. You must have to join this Telegram channel and you will get each and everything. Basically at this time they already launched another token. Basically the name of the token is Flake token FLKT. Okay friends, before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. And also do follow me on all the social media so you are going to get all the news before anyone else. First of all, I will show you the main theme of Flake token. Here you can see Flake token is basically a deflationary currency with a minimum supply. Here you can see the main supply is only and only 50,000 tokens. It is nothing seriously, and burn rate per transaction is 2%. It is entirely high. So you can check the contract address of this token, and here you can also see the distribution. All tokens will be distributed in airdrop and bounty. It means it is 100% a decentralized product. It is entirely the good thing for any type of token. Here you can also see we will use our 15% profit to burn supply until we reach 30,000 FLKT as total supply. Soon we will start accepting FLKT for purchasing our own services. For this, we required lots of work and time. We will also add some more services to offer in near future. It means, for example, I will basically elaborate this whole thing with you. Right now, at this time, as I am telling you again and again, at this time, for example, if you are going to join them on the Telegram for the free signals, then for the 21 days you don't have to pay anything. But after 21 days you have to pay $30 for per month. At that time basically you can use the Flake token FLKT for this very option, that you can basically pay them in FLKT token and you can basically join them for 1 month. That is entirely the good thing for you. So it is one of the best thing at this time. You can also basically use their airdrop form and also you can use their bounty form if you want to make the video regarding them or you want to write an article regarding them. So you can basically go for it. It is entirely the good thing for all of you to go and at this time you must have to go and you have to fill up the form of airdrop and also you can fill up the form of bounty. In bounty you'll be able to collect number of basically good FLKT token from them directly. Okay, just by writing you can say a small article regarding them on Medium or anywhere else, or you can just make the video regarding them and you'll be able to collect number of FLKT from them directly. As I am telling you again and again, the basic thing is this: at this time the supply is entirely low, only and only 50,000 token. And here you can see the coin type is basically hyper deflationary currency. Hyper deflationary currency means that every transaction will burn tokens seriously, and it will definitely help you a lot. And at this time here you can see the main signals. Basically they are going to give us signals about for next 21 days, and here you can see from April 11 they basically start up their first signal. So definitely you are going to get number of signals, and as per my knowledge number of people are saying about them that already they got the signal and they are doing the trades on their own signals, on the signals of the VIP signals by Flake. So they are getting much benefit from it. So definitely you are also going to get number of benefit from it if you are going to join their Telegram. It is entirely easy for you. You can just basically click on this link and you can easily join them on their Telegram. Here you can see it by yourself. As I'm telling you, we offer world's best leverage trading signals for cryptocurrencies in just $30 per month. But this $30 you don't have to pay at this time. You just have to click over here and you can basically join their Telegram and you can get the signals for 21 days. If you like their signals, if basically the profit will come, then you have to pay them for the next month $30 only for per month, and definitely you are going to earn number of money through it. So you must have to check each and everything regarding the Flake token, and you must have to join the airdrop and bounty form of this. And the basic thing is this, as per my point of view, and my key factor is this: first of all, you must have to join their Telegram channel to basically understand each and everything regarding their signals. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.